Hello everyone, my name is Sahadi. I am from in instrumentation and automation engineering student of at Sumatra Institute of Technology. Uh, in this video, I uh, I I will explain a ladder concert in VLC, especially the CNT and CNTR instruction, and I am demonstration the ladders. I am to presentation the ladder circuit we will on the VLC trainer board CX1. Uh, this topic is part of pneumatic practicum of module 5 application VLC counters in pneumatic system. Uh, where we apply counters to the control of pneumatic system or automatic automatic. Let's get started. Start next, and the next slide. Uh, the purpose of the objective of the practicum. Uh, the objective of this practicum are one to understand how concerts work in Omron VLC or typical VLC, and point two. The objective of this practicum to learn how to use the CNT or CONAF on CNR or reset CNR instruction of correctly, and point the last point, the objective to know how to connect the counter output to a real actuator, such as lamp or solenoid valve to control the pneumatic cylinder. By the end, you'll be able to program of LC con uh, full and trigger and output automatically once the con reaches preset value. And question, the general question, uh, what is a counter in a VLC? A counter is an instruction that can input full from a sensor or push button. Each time the input turns on, the current value or a CV increases by one when the CV reaches the preset value or a 5V, the counter output on. And question 2, why does need a reset instruction, are you this? Why do we need a reset? Because after reaching the target, we often need to start counting again. The CNR instruction CNR instruction reset the counter back to 0, and counters are useful in automation. For example, counting a product on a conveyor, the number of cylinders struck, and or a machine cycle. And next, uh, counter up or CNT. Uh, let's uh, CNT. Let's look at the counter up interaction or CNT. Uh, it's syntax in VLC. CNT address 000, and the value of a CNT 10, and here 000 is the counter address, and value of the preset value setting of the 10 second 10 millisecond. And how it work, every the point one, the every time the input signal, for example push button, becomes on, the CV increases by one, and the point uh, how work in point to work when the CV CV the counter bit C 000 turns on. Example ladder logic. In ladder logic example, in ranks 1, in ranks 1 input uh, input 000 to CNT 000 for address, and value of timing 10 millisecond, and in rank 2 output C000 to lamp output lamp, and rank 3 002 for reset button to CNR 000. On the trainer board, press the con button 10 times to lamps the on. The lamps turns on, and press then and press reset the trend board in the ranks. Press reset to the counter reset, and the lamps turns off reset program. And CNT is great for a simple counting task, product counts, cycle, or a movement detection. uh, CNCR function calculation of calculation of bidirectional. And next, the ladder diagram. Hmm, Now we move the CNTR instruction, or reversible counter in diagram. CNTR CNTR can count up and down depending on which input is active, uh, and the syntax of CNTR 001 for address the CNTR, and the value the CNTR 10 millisecond, uh, a fraction input up to CV increases, and input zone to CV decreases. Uh, when output CU001 turns on, when CV the uh, the CV and turns off when CV drops below 5V. And uh, typical ladder logic typical ladder logic uh, in the typical ladder logic, uh, for address 000 for up button, uh, to CNCR 001 and value 10 millisecond, and to uh, address uh, 001 or VWOP for down button to CNTR 11001, and value same the CNTR value of 10 millisecond, 10 millisecond or second, I forget. And for uh, address to C uh, 001, uh, for to output lamp or solenoid to control pneumatic cylinder, and in address 002 for button reset button to CNR 001, for the when demonstration of practical. First, up then times two lamps or solenoid turn on, and when first done several times, uh, two uh, output turns off as the count drops, and CNTR is perfect for bidirectional system, such as counting the forward and return of a pneumatic cylinder. And Let's uh, uh, l- look closely at the complete leader circuit on the ladder and the VLC trainer board. And when the practically in this laboratory, main component use VLC as the controller the system and uh, component push button for count up or count down or reset button uh, for counter. And this is for supply for input and output supply in uh, hardware solenoid valve. uh, and connect summary. uh, the connection summary the count up button to input the wiring the count up button uh, to input 000 or PB on. And uh, uh, for two two 42 throw the switch of the default, yeah, this the throw the switch and VB up or down button con to input PB up input 001 and 3 the timer reset input reset button to connection of the input address in the VLC 002 and LAN 1 or solenoid to control the cylinder pneumatic connection to output for CNT and lamp lamp indicator 2 or uh, solenoid pneumatic system connection to output uh, 10001 for CNTR uh, and CNTR address and also common and ground all common or in the VLC com and ground GND properly tied to 0 volt DC or neutral DC. Uh, Next, how the circuit behaves. The circuit is full cell from the input button, send a signal to the VLC. Input button uh, send a signal to the VLC in hardware VLC and the VLC increment or decrement the CV. When the CV reaches the VV, the corresponding output bit turns on, and when the lamps are slanted, then active, showing that the set con is achieved, and freezing the reset button clears the con and returns the output indicator lamp or a solenoid to output off. If a pneumatic module is attached, uh, when the counter output turns, the solenoid energies and moves the cylinder forward. When the counter reset or count down below the 5, the solenoid the energies and the cylinder returns back. This show the real interaction between electrical logic in the VLC uh, and mechanical motion in pneumatic system. Finally, in the I'm to CX programmer in the last 2 day. Uh, in tomorrow, we can monitor CV and VV values live. CV and value CV and VV value live. Showing live, monitor live. Y- You can see the term is hanging every time a button is freezed, uh, making it easier to confirm that your ladder logic work as expired. To conclusion in this 2 day or in this fracti presentation, uh, point one, the conclusion the CNT instruction can only offer and is ideal uh, for uh, for uh, for one direction counting task, and uh, the CNTR instruction uh, can both up and condone perfect for a reversible or a cycle system, and the CNR instruction reset the counter safely without a stopping of a VLC program of the to for the stopping indicator of a stopping output. Thank you for your watching my videos. Don't forget to practice this directly in the VLC trainer or run further your understanding uh, understand of ladder counter. Thank you.